abusuafo yesi asantempum tu epese asanteman ekonanim eti dani dan nyina no MPP a wosui ene na aban omo ye bibi se be ye ja asantempum bibi be koso kama na we na nam so ema omo AC eye overhead bi ede ama eye Suame interchange bi omo ye ho na stores ahoduo bi wo kwan no ho a enni kwan se wo ho no ye dwiri ede agu amafo mebre na ebuafu ebi nso hu ni se normal miminim wo wadwen kyerɛ de si ye kwan na se wo dan a wasie ne si kwan mu na ye twi ato agu a wo hu ni sen question na de ebusa wo si ebetima ye ne saa ana se wo se ye ndan because ensem a ya na eba after program no ana no woten obi se pese Ghana yes America edan se Korea edan se hwenfa enso before ebeda sa this will be sacrificing nkofo idan yebu agu ni eyi akofa nsem abai menye sure say ya mo deadline bi se sa asem yi ye bisi dase ya na se dase yenkotie de nkofo na kasa kan
Suame Makro stretch will be rehabilitated as part of the interchange project. Traders at Suame Magazine have for years occupied the banks of the road where they ply their trade. They have been told to relocate to pave the way for the much-awaited interchange project to start.
My notice, be market dan watch it. Nti my notice no me no. My notice no me se menton no bia biem. Nti be for the past 2 years, menton no bia biem. Me de gum na me se meton. Me say e be san. So be ka ya che. My inform yes ah. Nti bi my aso den. Me ma anya aso den. E ba me yi me no kakra na aka no. Ampe container na bia bi di see. So mama ya so den ye dwuro mu no matugu.
Mu di ka se container for den yi om no ma. Nti eboa mo nyina yi. Ti ene wo ha e wuro so mde grade a se omodwi say into force. Ti e no makra ya nyi ama ya da prepare na yi no ma no. Ba ye de kwa na ye no. Ye fo so se kwa na mo ye no mo nye. Na mom se kwa na mo hwe so aye de mo nye no mo anye de a na o ma se no man de a zi ano de na boye. Ye ntwem o mo.
Kampunti oni de ya ke pe. But ka was at least omo me notice. Ni edi ye niam because ya nya prepared. Because omo edi ka be ka kire last week Friday kro omo sa be see so. Omo de vine e be kan. Omo sa buy in person be ka kire say ye na e was store so de ye ntena ho. Na adwuma ni beduru ho a omo be me notice. Ame ye de asesa ye niam. Ene sa no pe ye ba ya aye gidigidi sa no.
The structures which are currently being removed are temporary ones, while the assembly says processes are also underway to deal with the permanent structures. Municipal Chief Executive for Suame, Maxwell Ofosubwachi, tells City News owners are fully cooperating with officials carrying out the exercise.
In fact, we made the announcement 2 weeks ago, and since this is a project that everybody is expecting, we made the announcement to the people who are within the road reservations to relocate. And as at Friday, about 80% of them voluntarily relocated, have started relocating. As at Monday, we were supposed to move in on Monday, but because of how they cooperated, we decided to add 2 more days, which ended yesterday. Less than 10% of them were adamant. They were somehow reluctant to move. So we applied minimum force, and the moment we started such a thing, majority of them decided that okay, we should give them some few hours. They will move their things from the road.
Utie someone call for no eka. Not just say a idea I had you pa. But I'm money sans wa enye because a better why is ID. It in call for ye draw mu dan gui me sure say a momo krata bi. Said the aquana din kan Mu krata ene bi o matena so na be this time akofa asem dia because nim say o man no obitimi dey saw the bottom no agya ho cornea dia din to nim say no when they say o mo hye oboso mbe ya na wanye careful wanye smarter wote wan ya bedwu dan ne dia gu so because o ma hye boso mbe no mbe enti eye ukopiem ewo eye Suame a Makro ho a de akosie eni ene nkofo mebre na abuafu yi pa Mame fo kasa, youngest kasa, mrantie kasa, omo say, masa, aden na moye yesa. Uhu ni say, eye, anase uhu ni say nye. Mepa wo wadi nchiru. Di esi no uhu ni say, eye, anase nye. Bidin di Ekuonaba.